Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're taking you on an exhilarating journey to one of Alaska's hidden gems, Castner Glacier Ice Cave. Get ready to experience the breathtaking beauty and icy wonders that lie within this natural marvel. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about how to reach the Castner Glacier Ice Cave. Located in the heart of the Alaskan wilderness, this stunning ice cave is situated about 200 miles south of Fairbanks. To get there, you'll need to rent a car and take the Richardson Highway towards Delta Junction. The journey itself is an adventure, awe-inspiring landscapes and wildlife sightings along the way. Once you reach the Castner Glacier trailhead, you'll embark on a moderate 1.5-mile hike to the ice cave. Now let's dig into the history of this ice cave. Castner Glacier Ice Cave was formed by the melting ice from the Castner Glacier, which has been receding over the years due to climate change. This cave is an ever-changing natural wonder, so make sure to check for recent updates and safety precautions for your visit. As you step into the ice cave, prepare to be amazed by the shimmering blue hues and intricate ice formations. It's like stepping into a frozen fairyland. But remember, safety should be your top priority. Make sure to pack the right gear, including sturdy hiking boots, warm clothing, gloves, and a helmet. The cave can be slippery, so having crampons is highly recommended. Always check the weather conditions and consult with local guides for any necessary precautions. Now, let's talk about what you can do at the Castner Glacier Ice Cave. Exploring this icy wonderland is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Inside the cave, you can witness stunning ice formations, icicles hanging from the ceiling, and even small frozen waterfalls. Remember to take plenty of pictures and videos to capture the magic, but also take some time to simply soak in the beauty and tranquility of this unique environment. Finally, let's discuss what to expect during your visit. The Castner Glacier Ice Cave is truly a natural wonder, but it's important to note that the conditions inside can change rapidly. Be prepared for low temperatures, limited lighting, and the possibility of dripping water. Due to its remote location, there are no facilities nearby, so make sure to bring enough food, water, and any other essentials for your visit. Leave no trace behind and respect the environment to preserve this delicate ecosystem for future generations. So are you ready to embark on this unforgettable adventure to the Castner Glacier Ice Cave? Prepare yourself for a jaw-dropping experience that will leave you in awe of Mother Nature's incredible creations. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow adventurers. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.
Slide marle. Slide marle. मैं भी आया